Morning internet. So today's the 8th, 9th, 10th, one of those days. 28th of January. Today we go from Renner Springs Desert Inn back to Ghan. So the idea is to travel up to Ghan and find a hotel around Ghan. I'm gonna find something that is suitable, that is more towards the Uluru, so that tomorrow we have to travel less distance, because tomorrow's idea would be to go to Uluru, get back from Uluru, which is about 2-3 hours from Ghan each way, so that's 6 hours gone, and then Kuba Pedi is about another 8 hours down. So yeah, it's gonna be a massive day. But today the idea was to go up to Alice Springs, but Alice Springs has got a lot of crime from what I've heard. I don't know what kind of hotel I would be getting there, and the hotel would have safe parking space or not for the motorcycles, so I'm gonna try and avoid that. So just gonna try and stay at Ghan. So I'll just show you the room here. This time I got the room that was only $100, so just thought that, hey, I'd be smart and be a little bit cheap this time, but it's not as good as the other rooms, right? So if I go here, that's my room. So this room is not as good as the $130 room. $130 is definitely worth paying that extra $30. Let's have a look at this room here. This has and that there. The toilet and bathrooms are not that exciting. It's very tiny, and the hot and cold doesn't really differentiate. It's like the same. And the TV, yeah, look, that's like a TV for ants, you know. And this TV was like behind, and I was trying to watch Pitch Perfect last night, but it did not play very well. I'll see you on the road, guys. I'm in Alice Springs now. So I just stopped at the KFC, just had some food, and it's about 2 o'clock right now. The next stop would be in Ghan. So there is this hotel, but that was the cheapest hotel I could find. About $160 for the night there. So it took me about 5 hours and 10 minutes to do 680 kilometers. The bike's really hammered right now. If you look at the bike, it's just I made it to the I don't know how to say it. I made it to this roadhouse. It was $159 to stay at this roadhouse. Bit expensive, but when I was in Alice Springs, I was calling around a few places. This was the cheapest one I could find. Like, there is one with the budget ones, which are again $130. They didn't come with the bathrooms and toilets of your own. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna get something with the bathroom and toilets. Everything in Ayers Rock was way expensive. So the lady in the, because I managed to speak to somebody in Ayers Rock, and it was like $390 for one night, one person. I could not get the sunset at the Ayers Rock, but here it is. We can watch it in the picture here. Cooper PD is only 5 hours from here. So idea would be to go to Uluru. I'll try and make it there before the sunrise. It takes about 3 hours, Google says. I should be able to do it in 2 hours and 15 minutes. So say 3 hours to get there, 3 hours to back here, and then 5 hours down, which is what, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hours. So another big day tomorrow. Today was what, about 8 hours, and I did about 900 kilometers. Yes, coming. Okay, I think somebody's on my door. Hello.
There you go. Your bike?
Yeah.
You can park it right here.
Oh, can I?
You can, mate.
Oh, okay.
My bike here is fucking right there.
Yeah.
Always tell the guys, park your bikes up here.
Do you live around here?
I work in Whitby.
Oh, you work here?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm maintenance manager at the moment.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, no, definitely please park your bike here.
Does it rain? Like, is it going to rain tonight? Do you
I
know?
reckon it could be thunderstorm, so
Oh, okay, cool.
another reason park it up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell anyone who's got a bike, park it on the veranda.
Yeah. So to get to Uluru is just this way, right?
Straight down that road.
And it's about what, 3 hours from here?
Depends how fast you go, but
150, 160?
you'll get there in probably 2 hours and 20 minutes.
2 hours, 20 minutes.
Quarter.
Yeah. Is there toll on the road, right?
No tolls.
No tolls, okay.
No.
Because the navigator, for some reason, it says there's tolls.
They're used in peak season and everything, but because the COVID seasons are quiet,
Yeah.
there's no tolls. It's just a charge to get into the national park.
How much is it, usually?
I couldn't tell you, man.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't tell you. We get free passes, so I gave them to my boy and his family.
Yeah.
Just up here. Yeah,
So get there before the sunrise?
Going down here
Yeah.
until you hit Kings Canyon
Yeah.
turn off is pretty safe.
Yeah.
There's, but after that, you might see the old fucking kangaroo and everything like that.
Okay. I'll probably slow down then, so I'll go at 130 until the sun.
Weary.
Okay.
And fucking bouncing to the side here and everything. If you get up at sunrise, it starts about 5:30.
5:30?
Yeah, it starts
Okay.
to come up about 6 o'clock. You'll catch it. So if you leave here at 3:30,
Okay.
you'll be right.
Yeah. So that was nice. So the maintenance guy just told me that, hey, best would be to take the bike and park it underneath, because on Tuesday they had the big storms, and there would be rain tonight as well. So the storms on Tuesdays actually destroyed their bar. You know, it's that strong. So I'm just going to move the bike in.